Now, a team of security forces were fired upon by suspected cadres of proscribed KCP PWG today morning at Uyok Part 3, Uyok Ching in Thoubal district during a search operation. According to police, the incident occurred when a team of police led by Thoubal District Police DSP Headquarters and Thoubal District Commando OC under the aegis of Thoubal District Police Superintendent of Police carried out a search operation at the area at around 4 a.m. The team also pursued after the suspected cadres of KCP PWG for around 2 hours, where they discovered a huge camp used by the cadres and also recovered a large cache of weapons. They recovered weapons including one SLR, one 12-bore single barrel, one LMG magazine, 21 7.62 mm live rounds, 14 blank cartridges, 3 cartogs, one firing pin, 8 tear smoke shell SR, 11 tear smoke shell N, 1 tear smoke shell Chili, 3 stun shell BP camouflage pants along with medical items. They also recovered a white-colored Tata Safari bearing registration number MN07L1464 along with 2 unregistered gypsy cars at around 7:10 a.m. According to the report, the operation lasted from 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. Police also burned the camp on the spot, and the recovered items were handed over to Thoubal SP for further proceedings.